Studies now show that a lot of common treatments for tennis elbow don't work or even make you worse. But the research shows that 2 techniques can give you amazing results. So today I'm going to show you how to fix your tennis elbow for good. Okay, let's start just quickly with the one main treatment that you really want to avoid. Treating tennis elbow with cortisone makes it feel better initially, but now has been shown to prolong healing in the long run. And things like massage, icing, and braces have all been shown to be ineffective. So what does work? Well, tennis elbow is actually lots of micro tears in your elbow tendon, and the tendon naturally protects the damaged area. But researchers have found that sustained muscle contraction stimulates healing in the damaged part of the tendon, so here's how to do that. This exercise comes with a bonus that I'll show you at the end that has been shown to double the results. Firstly, sit next to a table with your hand over the edge and hold a weight of around 1 to 2 kilograms, wrist straight, without moving for 30 seconds. A hand weight or a bag works perfectly. Aim for a weight that works your muscles moderately to about 50% capacity and does not cause any pain. Then hold the weight, a hammer or a half full water bottle upright at one end, turn your wrist so that the back of your hand is facing up, and hold for another 30 seconds. Again, aim for a weight that works your forearm muscles moderately but doesn't cause any pain. You can make it easier by only rotating halfway or reducing the weight. Repeat both positions 2 to 4 times once a day, letting 2 minutes pass before repeating the same position. The exact number of sets should vary with the severity of your symptoms. A lot of people will notice a significant reduction in pain after about 2 weeks of doing this daily. When your elbow is pain-free or almost pain-free, begin to add slow movement. Instead of just holding your wrist still, begin to move it slowly up over 4 seconds and then slowly down over 4 seconds, repeating that for 30 seconds for each set. The same with wrist rotation. Move from the vertical position to the palm down position over 4 seconds, and then the same on the way back. Continue these exercises for a minimum of 8 weeks, well past the time that all symptoms have disappeared. Now, Professor Keith Barr, a tendon specialist, has found a way to double the results. You see, when tendons relax after prolonged tension, they draw in the collagen that they need to heal from the surrounding fluid. So, if you take a collagen supplement an hour before doing these exercises, you can maximize the supply of collagen to the tendon just at the right time and stimulate more tendon rebuilding. Professor Barr recommends taking 15 grams of hydrolyzed collagen from an animal skin source, not bone, to avoid the intake of heavy metals, together with 50 milligrams of vitamin C to help the tendon absorb the collagen. You can often find the collagen and the vitamin C together in supplements. Right, now exercise number 2. Researchers have discovered something else that's very interesting. They've found that about 30% of tennis elbow cases actually come from an entrapment of a nerve near your elbow, giving you very similar symptoms. Releasing this nerve entrapment can give some people remarkably quick results, so here's the best way to do that. Just be sure to follow the safety rule that I mention at the end of this exercise. Set up standing with your arm beside you, palm facing back, and your head leaning to that side. Then move your arm back, bend your wrist, and turn your fingers out. This slides the nerve towards your hand. Then bend your elbow, straighten your wrist, and tilt your head away from your arm. This slides the nerve back up. Alternate between the 2 positions slowly 10 to 15 times, 2 to 3 times a day, to floss the nerve through the entrapment area and release the nerve. Just be aware though that in some people the nerve adhesions can be very strong. We don't want to overstretch a nerve that can't slide at all. It's okay if you feel a bit of tingling or a stretching sensation during the nerve floss, but keep the movements gentle enough to keep any sensations mild and short-lived. This nerve flossing technique can reduce pain significantly within a couple of weeks. and some people even notice benefits within hours. But for long-lasting results though, make sure you keep doing it for a good 6 to 8 weeks. Now if your elbow pain extends down or up the arm a little bit, it could be coming from other nerves in your arm. So if that sounds like you, make sure you watch this video next.